Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I will be telling you about Outre's Perfect Hairline Dominica wig, and I ordered her in a color 1B, and she does come in a 13x6 frontal, and she does have a transparent lace, so you will not have to do any plucking at all. As you can see, she looks really realistic as soon as you put her on straight out of the box. She does come with ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace, and she does have natural baby hairs, which is one of the things I liked about this unit because it did have the baby hairs that kind of curled and matched the hair texture. And it does come with a pre-attached elastic band, so I know that's pretty popular nowadays. And it does have the combs, 2 combs in the front and a comb in the back as well. And she is heat friendly, so you can put heat on her, although I mean I really wouldn't because she's very pretty as she already is. But I just went ahead and I put her on my head using the freeze spray method and my blow dryer, which is really easy. I laid down my baby hairs with the Got2b glue, the Got2b gel, and that was it. Also, real quick, the hair, I did put products in the hair to give it that glossy look. So I ended up wetting the hair with water, and then I went over it with mousse, and then I just put some gel on top of the hair to give it that realistic wet look. And that was pretty much it. I did cut layers in her because I did feel like it was a lot of hair for my head, so I did cut out some of the hair in the middle of the wig. And as you can see, I still have quite a bit of hair left on this unit. So that's pretty much it. The price, I'm sorry I forgot to mention the price earlier, but I believe I paid about $44 for this unit. And yeah, that's it. So that's all I really have to say about this unit. Do I recommend you getting it? Only if you feel comfortable with big hair, which I kind of don't feel comfortable with big hair, so I didn't really wear this unit too long. But yeah, you can go, you guys, if you feel comfortable with wearing really big hair, I definitely recommend getting it, but it's not an everyday wig. And if you put all those products in this wig like I did, it won't last as long. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it this far in the video, please leave a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.